Hey there, fellow finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money matters in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling how to see your Discover card interest rate for 2025. If you're a Discover cardholder, understanding your interest rate, also known as the APR, is crucial for managing your finances and avoiding unnecessary fees. Let's dive right in. First off, why does this matter? The interest rate on your Discover card determines how much you'll pay in interest if you carry a balance. With potential changes in 2025 due to economic shifts, it's smarter than ever to stay updated. This quick guide will help you check it in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your Discover card account. Head over to the Discover website or open the Discover mobile app. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one using your card details. It's free and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account Summary, or Dashboard, section. This is usually the first page you see. Look for a tab labeled Rates and Fees or something similar. Click on that, and you'll find your current APR listed clearly. If you're using the mobile app, it's even easier. Go to the menu icon, select Account Details, and scroll down to the interest rate information. Remember, rates can vary based on your card type, like cashback or travel rewards, so double-check for any personalized notes. Pro tip for 2025: keep an eye on Discover's official announcements or your monthly statements for any APR adjustments due to federal rate changes. If you can't find it online, don't hesitate to call Discover's customer service. They're available 24/7 and can provide your exact rate over the phone. And there you have it. Checking your Discover card interest rate is a breeze and takes less than 5 minutes. By staying informed, you'll be in control of your finances and ready for whatever 2025 brings. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.